Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia's home cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy Malaysian curry chicken. We have here in front of us minced 3 shallots minced and 3 garlic. I just use a mini food processor and mince all that. If you don't, then you can actually use your hand and just mince it that way. Then we have 3 tablespoons of curry powder. We use the Baba's brand with 6 tablespoons of water. Just mix that into paste. Then we have here about a bunch of curry leaves, 5 kaffir lime leaves, 3 lemongrass just cut into half, and then a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar to taste. We can add later if we need it more. 1 kilo of chicken drums, about 6 medium size of potatoes cut into about 2 inches long, and then 2 cans of coconut cream, 2.5 cups of water. So firstly, we're going to heat up the pot on high, and then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We use coconut oil, so whatever oil you have at home. Once heated up, we're going to add in the minced shallot and garlic. So we're going to stir that until it's light golden brown. Then we're going to add in the curry paste, curry powder paste. And stir that. Just stir for about a minute. Next, we're going to add in the chicken drums. Stir that in, and then I'm going to add in the lemongrass, the kaffir lime leaves, and the curry leaves, and the water. We're going to leave this to simmer and boil. Once it's boiled, we're going to add in the potato. Now the chicken is all boiled, we're going to add in the potatoes. So we're going to leave it to simmer for about 30 minutes. So now after 30 minutes, the chicken is all boiled and the potato is soft. We're just going to add in the coconut cream. And we're going to stir and let this boil again before we add in salt and sugar to taste. So we're just going to let this boil. So now we're just going to add the seasoning to the curry. So we have here 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir in and taste if we need more. Now it tastes great. So we're going to switch off the heat and ready to serve. So here's our super easy Malaysian curry chicken. You can serve it with rice and with the Roti Canai. Please refer to the video for the Roti Canai recipe in my previous video. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's cooking, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.